Hey guys, Dana here with ASLLOVE, and today I'm going to show you how to sign the words need, require, and request. To sign the word need, you're going to use the letter X hand shape. So it's just a crooked index finger. Letter X, start in an upward position, and bring it down. Just a swift movement. Now, if you change your facial expression a little, add a little emphasis to the sign, it means must. A softer facial expression and a little double movement means should. You should. It's probably best. To sign require, you're going to take your index finger and place it into the palm of your non-dominant hand. Move it backward, move it towards you. And to sign request, you're going to use one of the versions that I've shown you for the word ask. Essentially, it's a polite way of asking for something. So take both of your hands and bring them back towards you while bringing them together. You start with them apart. And now you know how to sign the words need, require, and request. And I hope that helps.